The boy did not listen to Mama and Dada.
Yeah.
He watched the TV all afternoon and forgot to sleep. Oh no.
Oh no.
And then the mama came home. Did you sleep? And the boy said, no. Yes, I sleep, Mama. Oh, very good. The next day, Mama and Dada went again to work in the morning.
Yeah.
And the boy had the television whole day with him. So he watched the TV whole afternoon.
Yeah.
And then the mama and dada came home. Did you sleep, boy? And the boy said, yes, Mama, I sleep in the afternoon.
Oh, the boy is
The
lying.
boy is
Like,
Lying.
He did not tell the truth.
Did not tell the truth.
yeah.
Is it good or bad?
For how many
Very
how many days the boy continued this routine and did not sleep in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And then one day the boy felt dizzy. Oh. And the head is yayay.
Yeah.
Oh, the head is yayay like this. So hard. It's so painful in the head.
Yeah.
And the mama said, we better go to see the doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, then they go to the doctor. And then the doctor said the boy was too exposed of the television because he is watching too close to the television.
Oh no.
Oh no. And the mom said, no, but my son sleeps every day. And then the boy and the doctor said, are you sure your son is sleeping in the afternoon? The mother asked the boy, are you sleeping in the afternoon? Tell me the truth. And the boy truthfully answered, no, Mama, I did not sleep in the afternoon for many days.
Yeah.
The mother was very disappointed because the boy did not sleep
And
in
the
the
boy
afternoon.
is lying.
And the boy is lying to his parents.
Yeah. The boy is playing the penguin mama.
Yeah.
When the boy and the mother went back home, the mother told the father, and the dad was very furious,
Angry.
very angry. Why did you not sleep?
Why did you lie?
And then the
Why
boy,
are you lying?
the boy was very
Afraid.
afraid.
And sad.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, Dada. I did not sleep every day. I
I'm
was
sorry
watching
for
TV."
lying.
And the dad and mother said, it's okay for now, but you always tell the truth next time.
Yeah.
Okay? And do not watch TV too much because you did not sleep.
Yeah.
And if you do not sleep early or do not sleep in the afternoon, you will not grow tall.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like the boy.
yeah. And so the next day, the boy always sleep in the afternoon
Yeah.
and no more yayay in the head.
And no more lying. And no more lying na the boy?
Dada elephant is angry.
Huh?
Dada elephant is angry.
Yeah.
Why are you
Not sleeping.
Sleeping, not sleeping.
why are you not sleeping, baby elephant?
Yeah.
Dada and Dada said, fire baby elephant like that.
Yeah. That's why, Kaya, you will always
Keep
in the...
in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And there's one more. And always
Stop. Don't lie.
Yeah.
You
Always
always-
tell the truth to Mama and Dada, okay?
Yeah.
no hiding, no
hiding,
secret.
no secrets, ha?
Always and always
If
tell
you have
the truth.
yayay, you tell Dada and
Yeah.
Mama, okay?
Yeah.
And
And
if
you will
someone is hurting you,
You tell
you
Mama
tell
and
Mama
Dada,
and Dada.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No lying, okay?
Yeah.
No
I wanna-
hiding.
If Dada will ask, do you have any coins? And you have coins and then you lie to Dada, Dada will get angry and Dada will use his...
Payo.
Yes.
And if you not tell Mama the truth, when I ask, did you eat a lot? And did you sleep? And did you drink a lot of water? Mama will...
Use the...
Hana and Dada will the Hana and Payo the L.
Yeah.
If you don't eat,
Yeah.
If you don't eat right.
yeah.
Okay? It's okay?
Yeah.
Nihumok na yung ubudo.
Okay?
Cover your mouth. That's right. You cover your mouth.
Now you
and
understand? Okay.
Okay.
So, no lying to Mama and...
Dada.
Very good.
And always sleep
Yeah.
in the
alright.
afternoon.
Yeah. Dede, Mama. Dede.
What will you say when you ask something?
Big Mama, I am Dede.
Okay.
Ito sa diri para pa na. Para limpyo ta. Magkwal ta to yung
Come
limpyo.
here, Mama. Dede, Mama.
Ano?